Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future.
Today, I'm very excited to share with you all this nail tutorial using Ohuhu Polygel Nail Kit. I really hope that's how it's pronounced. Thank you so much Ohuhu for sending this beautiful kit to me. This kit contains 18 colors, out of which there are 10 normal colors, 4 diamond colors and 4 temperature changing colors. Inside you can see are the polygels. It's packaged so well. I really like the packaging. It also has the instruction manual. These are all the colors that are included in this kit. It also contains all the instructions on how to apply this polygel. Okay, so it also comes with a nail clipper, a cuticle cutter, a cuticle pusher, a nail file. It comes with a base coat, a no wipe top coat and also a matte top coat. It also comes with a brush and a spatula. This is the 30 ml slip solution without which we can't apply the polygel. Now, last but not least, these are the plastic nail foam or mold. By the way guys, you also need a LED or a UV lamp to apply polygel, which is not provided in this kit. I have my own UV lamp, so make sure you have one before using this kit. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So first of all, let's take out the right nail form that fits my nail. Okay, so I have decided to use this color, number 6 and 15 on my nails today. By the way guys, I have already prepped my nails by cutting my nails and pushing my cuticles. Next, let's take a small glass container and pour some of that slip solution in it. It's very important to have slip solution because polygels are normally very sticky and hard to mold. Slip solution makes it really easy to apply the polygel onto the nail foam. So now let's take some polygel and start applying it onto the nail foam. First, I'm dipping my spatula into the slip solution so that it makes it easier to take out some polygel. Now I'm going to place the polygel onto the nail foam. Now using the brush provided, I'm going to push the polygel throughout the nail foam. Make sure you dip your brush into the slip solution before you do this. This process is actually very easy you guys. Even I am doing this for the first time. I'm applying polygel for the first time and I guarantee that this process is actually very easy. By the way guys, if I can do it, I'm 100% sure that everybody in this world can do it. Okay, so after you are satisfied with the way it looks, you can gently apply it onto your nail. Okay, so after applying the nail onto your nail bed, flip the nail and again dip your brush in the slip solution and start smoothing the polygel from the back of the nail. Don't press it too hard or else the polygel will start to come out. If in case it comes out, then use the slip solution and the nail brush to remove the excess polygel. After you're satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and start curing it using your UV or LED lamp. I cured it for 2 minutes to make sure that the polygel is completely set. After it's cured, gently remove the plastic nail foam. You might need to wiggle it a little bit, but it will come off easily. And this is how it looks. Oh my god, can you see how beautiful it looks? It's so shiny, you guys. Anyway, I know it looks very long right now, but once I finish with all my nails, I'll be filing it and shaping it according to my need. So later on I understood that I've forgotten to apply the base coat. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to apply base coat to all my other nails. After applying the base coat, I'm going to cure it in my UV lamp for a minute. Okay, so now let's apply the polygel onto my other nails. Here I found out that my index fingernail had some imperfection, so here I'm taking the same polygel and just going through it to make it right. And then you can just cure it again for 2 minutes or so. And now you can see that it looks much better. Now it's time to apply the glitter polygel. I'm going to apply it the same way we applied the normal polygel. After you finish applying all the nails, you can go ahead and cut it, shape them and file it accordingly. Here is the difference between the filed nail and the non-filed one. You can see the difference, right? The filed one looks so much better. Okay, anyway, I'm not finished yet. Let's go ahead and fill in my thumb as well. So finally I have finished applying the polygel. So now let's shape and file these nails. So this is how it looks after filing them. So now it's time to apply the top coat. So here I have decided to go one step ahead and I am going to apply some nail art stones to my nails. You can either use nail glue or even gel top coat to apply the stones. I prefer the top coat as it holds the stones better after curing them. Again guys, I'm really sorry that it went out of focus. This is my first time doing such a tutorial on my camera, so I'll get better. I promise I'll get better. Okay, so after applying the stones or any nail art, cure it for 2 minutes. By the way guys, make sure to apply a decent amount of top coat to all your nails, okay? Okay, so this is how my one hand looks after finishing. I can't believe how pretty it looks, you guys. I'm just so happy. Oh my god. I'm using my mobile light to show you guys how beautiful the glitter ones look. I love how glittery it is. Oh my god. Okay, now let me finish the other nails as well, okay? Here is the finished look. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. What do you guys think? Please comment down below, okay? What do you guys think about this nail tutorial? Please comment down below. Last but not least, it's very important to use a cuticle oil. Currently I ran out of my cuticle oil, so I'm going to use a facial oil which is equally beneficial. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video and my nail tutorial. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the bell button to receive future video notifications. So bye guys, I'll see you on my next video. Love you.